I haven't actually set myself a goal. Let me, I will think on that as soon as I know things are up.
Okay.
I need to throw links around at people.
Hmm.
Oh, keeps on messing up the description as well. Yep, there you go. Donk. We're live. Let's pause this music. We're live. Alright, YouTube's working. Twitch, are you on what's up? Also, Maddie, speak real quick.
I am speaking.
Okay.
What language would you like me to speak?
German. Speak real quick.
Deutsche. I don't speak Deutsche, unfortunately.
Oh no. Okay. Well, it's cool. You're working in any case, so
Okay.
there we go. And I'm just gonna throw links around people. Yeah. Oh, my phone is fucking out recently, dude.
Oh,
It keeps on trying to connect to my my what's it, my smart light bulbs around, and like it messes everything up, dude. I don't know what happened earlier, but my light bulbs disconnected and were just flashing constantly, like at a rate of like 3 times a second.
Your phone has been kind of gonked for a while.
Dude, my phone has been gonked for ages now. And now it won't even detect my Wi-Fi, so oh boy, this is fun. Please find me home Wi-Fi network. There you go. And now we can yeet links at people. No? Yes.
Threw the link upon their face.
Bruh, what even is this phone? What is this internet? I will destroy you. Oof. There you go. Hey, YouTube pins. That's me. I'm live. You guys should go watch me.
You're live. You're not just live, you're alive.
Well. Ah, screw it, I'm just gonna use my whole data. Please connect. I beg you. There we go. Hey. I throw out at the link. Okay. Let's get that Terraria bops on. Oh yeah. No, wrong sound. God, you need to listen to the stream to sing it in time. You need to watch the stream and then anticipate what it's going to be like 15 seconds ahead.
Anticipate. Yeah,
like,
cool.
Not just like a couple bars, like the next song kind of thing. And I've got it on shuffle, so you better be good.
Okay, well,
right.
I'll be smart about it.
Yeah, just simply know Spotify's shuffle algorithm.
Very easy task.
Hey, look, it's me. Hi, me. So, I should probably tell you what I've been doing since last night. So last night I was up for a long time, and I made some little AIs. I'll just play it in the background real quick, so you can see them. I don't actually know what I did last night. And what was the last thing that stream saw, but now these guys can walk around. They can send out a little ping to each other when they walk through each other's kind of detection radius, and right now the condition for them kind of hanging out together is just random, but I can make it in the future that there's groups of friends that will tend towards each other, and then you're gonna get these weird little groups forming. So we got that going. Then after I had that, or after I did that, I worked on a little conversation system, and going up to them and poking them in the face and starting a conversation. So you can kind of do that at the moment. You can kind of talk to each of these people, but it doesn't really do too much yet. It just has some very basic options in at the moment for there's like a little cheat menu where you can tell them, buy me a drink, and then it just automatically triggers that section, and it calls back to the gameplay to actually tell the NPC to then perform an action. So now what I'm doing is I'm actually trying to work on the branching dialogue tree, and so if you want to pause and read this, is this whole thing. This is the conversation outline. Essentially, what I'm looking at is there's just a struct called S-topic, and that is made up of a bunch of different things for the... You can read through all of this if you want. Starting possibilities, required conditions, yada yada yada. And essentially within each topic there are a series of prompts. The prompts are a single, the NPC will say something to you, and along with that you'll have a list of your responses, and then those responses point to different indexes in the array of prompts. So yeah, essentially, so not prompts can only be unlocked if certain queries are met, for example. So let's say you're at a bar. The bar and the drinks on display would be the topic. Those are things that come up in the conversation. Now you've only just met this NPC, and you're saying hi, well, whatever. Not all of the prompts will be available to you there because they don't trust you enough to, speak everything to you. So what you might be able to ask is hey, what drink are you having there? Do you like the drink? How are you doing? And very, very basic stuff like that. But then if you talk to them enough, you start building up their opinion of you, and then as you kind of loop back in this conversation tree, you start seeing new branches unlocking. So I'm trying to think of a better example, but I mean, there's a bunch of these little opinion indexes down here for different kind of emotions and how they can feel towards you, like friendliness for how how much they they're kind to you. Trust is if they suspect you of being a cop or not. Power is so if an NPC comes up to you and they try and intimidate you, you can intimidate them back, and you can tell them to bugger off and leave the bar maybe. And then love is you can flirt with characters and all that kind of shit. And then there's a bunch of callbacks depending on these prompts for things that the NPC can do. So these are generally things that would end the conversation, and then this condition would be triggered. So if an NPC can maybe thinks that you're a cop, for example, maybe it wouldn't be best for them to call the bouncer, but that might be something that they do. And yeah, so there's just a bunch of these different things, and so this is what it looks like on planning. And if we go in here, we go to topics default, then this is kind of what it looks like in practice, and it is hell to try and read, but I'm trying to do that now. So I was a little bit of the way through. This is a very generic one, so it's just a general hello, and then they say what's up, all that kind of stuff. And then this is wait, it's minimized here somewhere. Oh my god, responses. Hey, what's your name, and are you here with anyone? So what's your name? So that's index 0. The response query success is that goes to, wait, no, the failure goes to 1 and the success goes to 2. So if we go down to prompt number 1, yoink, then so you ask them what their name is, and this is the failure if they don't trust you enough, and they say, what's a T? Are you a cop or something? And then you have the options of course not, I'm just curious. And you say, no, I'm just looking for a drink like anybody else. And then you could also say, yeah, you should speak to me with some respect. And so in this one, for example, the response 2 might have a condition of you have to seem powerful to them. And if you don't, then they're gonna call you out on your shit and probably call the bouncer. And if they do believe you, if they do think you're powerful, then they're probably like, okay, chill, we're cool here. So that's a very basic outline of it, and it's very complicated to put together, and my brain hurts because I've been looking at all this all day. Hi Matt, how are you doing?
I am good. I am doing the Pumpkin Moon event in Terraria.
Whoa.
The first time ever, and it involves a lot of flying and running and making things explode, and it's quite fun actually.
Nice.
There is a simple joy to playing the melee class in Terraria in late game, because it involves holding down one button and watching everything explode. That's how I like to play my video games. Give dopamine.
Give dopamine, please. So I'll have 1 dopamine. That's what you can ask the bartender in this. So just a general overview as well, because I realized that this is the start of there's about 5 hours of context that some people might have missed. So the general idea of the game is that it's the whole game jam is based around AI and games. So you have to make some interesting AI, and this is kind of what I want to do. And the theme of it all is breaking the rules. So this is set in not the 1920s prohibition, but the 2020s prohibition, where the government has realized that due to COVID, everyone has been sharing drinks, and that's not good. Everyone's no sharing drinks. That's not allowed. So they just banned alcohol. What a dystopian world. That would never happen. And so now your goal is to go around and hop between these kind of seedy bars and try and get people to buy as many drinks for you as possible by the end of the night. That's kind of the very general way of scoring things. But it's mainly just about bumming around, exploring the town, and just chatting to people. And yeah, but I figured there must be some way of scoring there. So it's based on your drunkenness, and it's probably going to be like a breathalyzer at the end. And depending on how drunk you are, that's your high score. So yeah, that's the very general overview of it. And then this is the kind of the bones behind it. But yeah, and then you can see there's these little characters in the background that seem to be getting stuck in corners. That's not good. I'll take a look at that, but not right now. But yeah. So I'm just going to try and flesh out this conversation tree real quick, and it's just going to be a lot of me staring at this very boring graph and trying to figure it out.
I think I just killed about 12 pumpkins and I didn't get a single.
Oh no.
The sword that I need for the zine. I ain't get one. It's okay. I have another summon item.
Do it again.
I wait for tomorrow night, and I do.
You have a bed. You can just.
I don't.
Oh wait, no. So it's the sun.
Can't do that in Terraria.
No, you can.
Yeah, you need the enchanted sundial to do that.
But you can also, if everyone's in bed, I think it fast forwards time. I think that's
Really?
something. Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Is it only at night though? Because I need it to be.
I don't actually know. And I might be misremembering. I'm not too sure.
Okay. You go sell a bunch of shizzes to Wilbur the merchant.
Wilbur.
Yeah, I hardly
Barely
know.
know her.
Hilarious!
Ha!
Hee ho! Ha ha ha! Ha ha!
How funny we are.
Pain. I'm in pain. Shit, I got 4 platinum. Well, at least now I can reroll.
Human fun. Ooh, boy, this thing dying.
Your phone go explodey
It's
baba.
not starting. I mean, it's starting, but like it does like a little animation where like, it kind of fades on the screen and then the clock kind of like moves up slightly, and I can see it just kind of like gets stuck halfway, and then like
the time has come.
Couple seconds later, like boop, it like pops up. Oh god.
The time has come.
There's no smoke pouring out of it yet. I can't trade it in. It's 3 days away from retirement.
Okay, I got a godly Terrorblade.
Oh shit, nice.
Rolled what I needed.
Hmm.
That. Yay.
Actually, I'm gonna yeet the link in the AI and Games chat. Because why not?
Spooky.
Oh, hey, it's a trans. Oh wait, shit. No, I can't DM. I can't open DMs. Wait.
Well, it's on the VOD now. I'm gonna go back and
there you go.
look at DMs. I'm going to the bathroom. I'm back. Did you get banned off of Twitch for leaking Discord DMs?
No.
How did you evade the dodge? How did you evade the dodge? How did you evade the ban, I mean?
They were of age.
Hmm.
Joking.
Okay. Smarter than most streamers.
Just trying to check on the AI and Games chat. See if I'm allowed to yeet my link everywhere.
I've been farming lava bats for 2 days now, and I still haven't got the magma stone.
I've been in hell for 2 whole days, shooting fucking bats up the sky. Please.
I'm just asking for a single red stone, bro. Like it's. Come on.
Are you looking for the Philosopher's Stone, or?
I've got like 9 of them. Oh my word, Sam, I love you. As I said that, I just got a magma stone. I have spent so long trying to get a fucking magma stone. Jesus, that took forever. Well, now I can combine it with my mechanical glove and get the fire glove. Fire gauntlet. When I do the next pumpkin moon, I'm going to use all my money to reroll my trinkets like you suggested.
Nice.
Oh, I should try and do the Old One's Army event today. This is the 3rd stage, the one with Betsy. Which I've never finished. I've finished the other 2. I don't know if you played through that.
I don't think so, no. Oh, I played through a little bit of it, I didn't finish it.
I really enjoy it.
Thanks. I am going to respectfully have to focus on this for a second because this is like
No worries.
big brain moment. And I just
Good, my
like
dude.
I'm looking at all the things. All right, I'll be back in a second.
No stress, my friend.
So, what did you a cup or something? Of course, not. I'm just curious. Now I'm just looking for a drink like anybody else. Yeah, I should speak with some respect. So I want to deal with this one first, so I can, because this one's gonna definitely have a hook in there. Because if you fail this, then it's gonna call the bouncer or something. So the two here. So the fail state is index 0, and the success state is index 1. So fail state over here. So we're not going to have the gameplay trigger here, we're actually going to have it in a different one. Let's just do this here. So fail state is going to be so fail state, we're currently on prompt 1, so we're going to make this number 2. Yeah. 2, and then success will be 3, and then on number 2 the gameplay triggers will be 1, which is the call to play escort the bouncer out. It's the bouncer escorts the player out. And NPC dialogue will be I don't have time for this. Bouncer, get this dude out of here. And then if the bouncer comes up, they'll probably talk to you, and you can be like, "Hey, get the fuck off me," or something like that. And if you're powerful enough to them, then they'll chill. But if not, they'll just yeet you on the curb. Okay. Opinion adjustment. This will be friendliness, trust, power. This will be like -30 on all of them. Because this is not a good outcome. Okay. Responses, you don't have any responses, you just have to go. Response success query, there's nothing there to worry about. Okay, so number 2. Ooh, this is going to be so tricky to... There needs to be a way to have like a tooltip on the side here. Okay. But now the success is number 3, so... not bad. Feel alright. Feel okay. And the responses can be... up. Don't worry. It's messing with you. Or it could be... That's right. What is your name? And then number 3, I need to figure out a way to do this. So, like here, for example, if they believe that you're a cop, it's under prohibition. And if they have a drink in their hand, then there should be an option here that you can say, yes, I'm a cop, it's prohibition, give me that drink. So it needs to be there needs to be another way to check the success queries. Because right now I can only check float values. So it needs to be able to... This is hard. Otherwise I could have the indexes and just like, if the float is 0 or if the index doesn't exist, then it doesn't count. Oh, that's so sketch. That's pretty scuffed. Okay, let's not worry about that for now. Delete that. And then we'll just have the gameplay triggers. No, the response queries. And these won't have any opinions, it's just directions. Redirectors for the prompts. So don't worry, I'm just messing with you. That doesn't have anything to worry about, so it's a success. Then I'll need to go to let's say that one goes to 4. And then this next one has an exit code of 5, and this is the that's right now. It's your name. Then so you also need to have the opinion adjustment 2, 3, 4, and this will make you feel more powerful towards them. Less friendliness. So minus friendliness plus power. Wait, what the? 1 and 0 and 2. Friendliness. Minus 15, and then 30. So it's minus 15% friendliness plus 30% powerfulness. Okay. So that's a little bit weird. But it's working. So response number 4 is let's just say not funny, leave me to my drink. Not funny. Let's leave me alone. And then that gameplay trigger will be 0. So yeah, gameplay trigger there. Response icons. Yeah, there's nothing there. So now we need to go through the response icons. This is I'm just messing with you. That's right now. What's your name? So we're just gonna have a dot for those, just something generic. That's essentially little icons that'll appear next to the prompt. I'll show you that in a second. This is the most boring part of this entire stream. Of course, I'm just curious. 0, 1, 2, response icons. Down. So I'm just curious. I'm just clicking anything else. Dot and this be explanation. Responses. What's your name here? Are you anyone? And I can see this. I'm just gonna have dots. Okay. Now that should blow through. All of these are just going to be successes, so it's not going to do anything super fancy. Hey, look, it's my little game. So look at this. This is the first-person view of all these strange T-posing creatures and their interactions with each other, based on these yellow and blue lines and these spheres on the floor and all this weird shit. This is a very surreal landscape. Hopefully, it's going to change kind of soon. Hey, look at this. There isn't the other one there, so we need to actually. Why isn't that loading in? It should be. There should be a prompt there that says hello. It's just without. Conversation sheets menu. Why is this? Topics. Yeah. Sounds good. I just need to have that there. Something isn't loading in that topic tree. So it's loading in the cheat menu, but it's not loading in the generic chat, which is where that whole cop conversation comes in. That's strange. Conversation name. Chat. X -1. Then... Oh shit, did I add... What's the last index here? Last index is 0, so that should be fun. So... I need to add an image there as well. Let's add a question mark. It's gonna be a little bit weird, but it's fine. Clear the responses first, just in case. And then after we've added the prompts, we're going to then append the exit after it. Yoink down here. That it might have been like overriding one of the slots, and like rendering the exit over the hello. There you go. Okay. Open sheets menu. Hello. Okay. So if we exit here, that's fun. We're good. We talk to this person. Open sheets menu. Give me a drink. Let's fart. Do something weird. It's fart, and then say 50 cups, and then that'll, you know, when I actually have the aggression in there, that'll trigger them to be aggressive. So I can just go out and, you know, force someone to fight me. So now we can say hello. And they're like, yeah. And you can say, what's your name? Are you here with anyone? So, what's your name? That's not the right option. They should not want to fisticuffs me there. So I don't know why that's happening. It's a new topic. That should be transferring to a new topic here. New responses. Where did I say that? So you can get the conversation topics from here. The exit code, did I give it an exit code here? I did. So why is it not working? This is weird. Can I click on hello? Should call back to here. It's a new prompt, which was an exit code of the index of it, yeah? So then new prompt. It's very strange. I think the indexes are getting mixed up at some points. I want to see, so when it is a new prompt, true, I want to print out the initialized text, I guess. That'll tell us something. Hello, so news a new topic, hello, what's your name? Current topic. So when we're on the current topic, so it gets into that tree, okay. Unless, have I just got some weird shit in here? Generic. When we go to, what's your name? That's 0. Success there goes to 2. Dialogue. They should say I don't have time for this. Okay, wait, but what? I can't wait. it should be getting prompt and response. Yeah, it should just be getting index 1 down here of the exit code, which is... Screw it, let's actually, I can just print the exit code next to this. Next. Going to be, I'm going to keep this in the top right. This is going to be, I'm just going to have this in RAID or something. Exit code marker. And then on construction, we're just going to have a little debug note up here as to what it's actually pointing to, where in the conversation tree it's pointing to. Text. I'm going to get the exit code here. Get. Let's see what that does. Yeah, so hello points to 1, which is the index of the whole topic. Go down here, so no, what is your name? That goes to 2. I hear thing and that goes to 4. Yeah, that's right. So why does it go there then? 2 is the index of, it's up here, so it's somehow jumping to the wrong conversation. Oh, am I an idiot? I might be an idiot. I never considered that. Oh, bugger. Wait. In the NPC, there's the current conversation topic. Where is that reference? It's not reference there. Just want to see if I call it up in conversation main. Because I might have just never told it to change topics. Get. Yeah, so it gets it, it just doesn't change it. Alright, I'm a dumbass. Cool. So when we have a new topic, we're going to set the current conversation. Ah, fuck. Set current conversation topic to the new exit code. Right, that should be fun then. And there. And now go there. How do you do? Hello. I say and you can say what's your name, and then it automatically fails, and they say no, I don't have time for this. Bouncer, get this dude out of here, and then you say exit conversation, and then I'll add the hook into the bouncer to actually pull you out. Right, that's sorted out. While we are trying to figure out all of that, I'm gonna go grab some coffee. Yeah, I'll be back in like 5 minutes. And I just want to see actually if I'm allowed to share. Okay, I'll share the link here for the Gamejam chat in a little bit. But for now, yoink. Oh wait, no, make the BRB. There you go. Have some twerking emojis. See you guys in a bit. Alright, but you're back on the air. I
Back
believe
on
in you.
air.
We live, boys. Let's do this.
Live in studio. Time for me to track my vocals right now. I just beat Plantera again and didn't get the drop. Very sad. Oh wait, actually I have a relevant question. I think that this world was created before Plantera had the chance to drop that item.
Hmm?
Do you think it'll be added to the loot pool retroactively?
Yes, it should be.
Like logically, right? It
Yeah,
should
because
be.
it's a drop from Plantera. It's not a drop like. I'm trying to
Yeah, it's
think
not
of it
like
in
a
some.
world resource or
I
something that has to
feel I
spawn
feel
in.
like I have had old Terraria worlds that I go into, and then like new NPCs will spawn and that kind of stuff. So then,
Okay.
by that logic, then they
And
will
yeah,
have new
it
drops.
should.
So yeah. Um.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah. Well, keep on farming, boys.
We add a little smiley face, so we're all good. Okay. Okay. I am done spamming my link everywhere. Hello everyone, it is me, Samuel. If you want to know the context of all of this stuff that I'm making and whatever this beast is, whoa, then you can check at the beginning of the video because I did a fairly long explanation of it all and like the theme of the whole video. But in short, I've just managed to get a very basic conversation system going where I can run up to one of these little dudes, hey, look at that, and then it's, oh, look, it's Tommy Thompson, and then they're like, how do you do? And you can open the cheats menu. Oh, don't do that, that's cheating. Or you can say hello, or you can exit the conversation. Plot twist, or spoiler, if you exit the conversation, then you're allowed to run away. But you can go up to another one, you can say hello, and then Tommy Thompson says, mm-hmm, and you can say, what's your name? Here with anyone. And then just for now, this one doesn't do anything. This one will, I think they just call the bouncer on you instantly. There you go, yeah, right at time for this. Bouncer, get this dude out of here. And now, that doesn't do anything yet, because there's no bouncers in this world, but that has the ability that, like a hook, it calls something in the world that, like, this person screams out, a bouncer nearby will find me, and they'll chase me out. So yeah, that's what I got so far, and they're all running around and they're trying to, like, form friendships, and, aw, it's all sweet. Anyway, it's not really working yet, though. They all get stuck in corners every now and then. So I could get stuck into this for like the next 5 hours and write like immense conversation trees. But that's going to be very boring because it's just going to be this screen for 5 hours. So I don't really want to do that. I want to get a couple hooks in place that I can like trigger certain events and, it gives me something to test with, but not like super extensive. So I'm going to, there's one thing I need to do. Oh wait, am I? Oh shit, I'm on. Sorry, Matt. You're just hearing me narrate.
Oh, no, it's fine.
Are you okay with that, or do you want me to mute
Yeah,
on
no, it
Discord?
doesn't bother me at all.
Okay.
It's like listening to a YouTube video in the background.
A YouTube video tutorial for like a software that you don't use.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice. Okay, well, just shout if it gets too much. Squee! So something I need to do is I need to implement a system where the AI checks how they feel about you. Vibe check, one might say. And so at the moment, like, for example, in the generic menu here, you can say hello, and then you can say, what's your name? And then it'll go, what's it to you? Are you a cop or something? And they only say that if they don't regard you as enough of a friend. Now, I don't have any way to like increase your friendship, so I might just have I can cheat and put a slider in there. But essentially, if they do consider you enough of a friend, then they'll just tell you their name. They're not going to be like, who are you, weirdo? So I need to add that check-in where they can see like, are you a friend or are you not? And that essentially it can go for 4 different stats at the moment for friends, trust, power, and love. And yeah, so at the moment it just automatically fails or succeeds. I can't remember which one. It goes to a certain index, but I wanted to be able to select one or the other. So we're going to let's add another function into the NPC dialog. I'm going to say if Let's just call this F vibe check. Why not? Vibe check player, because they can vibe check each other. Vibe check, and this will have NPC opinions. There'll be an array of floats. Yoink, yoink. I wonder if I should make this an array of structs instead. Because NPCs could then have opinions of each other. Yes, actually. And I do already have that. I already have a struct for NPC opinions, so that's what I was thinking of earlier. So this is a struct of NPC opinions. And then index 0 will be always be the player, and then after that there'll be an order of NPCs around them that I'll store separately. I'll just make a note of that there. Player, then order of NPCs. And then I can find a way that they can like tend towards what NPCs that they like more, and then once the player interacts with one of them, then that opinion kind of goes in between it goes to other NPCs around. So like, let's say an NPC makes a group of friends, they find that they max out their friendship stat with a couple of others, and now the player goes up to one of those friends and is like, hey, you're real cool, and the player makes friends with that one NPC. That will then propagate to the other ones around. So if you look around the world and you see which NPCs are hanging around together, you can get in good with one of them, and then they all start to like you. That could be cool. But for later. For now, we just deal with the one. But I'm planning ahead here. So the vibe check. So we need to get 0 here. And this is just an array of thingies. And we need to get an index from the array. This will be the opinion index. Actually, if this is equal to -1, then we just want to go straight to the end, otherwise we're going to get errors thrown at us. And then we also want to see if it's valid index. Valid index. So it's going to look not there, and valid index. If it doesn't equal -1, it's valid index, then we will get the value here, and we will have that as a return. This. So we need the opinion index, we need the threshold, and with operation. Operation greater or less. I'm doing it this way because that's how I've structured the opinion query up here. So greater or less than true or false, and then the opinion value, and then the exit code. So the exit codes we're not going to worry about now. So if it doesn't equal that, and it does equal that, if it doesn't if it does equal -1, or if it isn't valid index, then it's just going to return it with failure, and that shouldn't throw us any errors. And then if it does match those, then there'll be a condition here. So we need to see greater than or less than.
2 plant areas today, still no seed.
Oh no.
And the thing is, if I wanted to go into another world and farm it, I'd have to go through all of the bosses up until the mechanical boss.
That's
Which
really
is
strange.
Nightmare.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've beat it like 7 to 9 times now. I don't even remember.
It does also take a while to spawn sometimes, so just like even if you want to leave the world just open and like you put yourself in a little safety shack, or you just dump all of your money in a chest and you just let yourself die over and over, and you like go have dinner or something. By the time you come back, there should be some more Plantaire bulbs in the world.
True. Yeah, I believe it takes about half a day to spawn one.
Yeah, I can't actually remember the exact timing, but it sounds about that. Select bool. Greater or less than great. Oh god. Why is this in the wrong order? Wait, no, is it? Yeah, it is. Typing prompt query. Greater than is true. Greater than is true. Less than is false. Okay. And we're just gonna have a little summary here as well. Print. Pin. Verb check. The opinion index is that. I'm going to go down one. To select string greater than something. That something. Link. We need a value here. That value will go to the lesson as well, and it will go down here. Oh, this is messy. This is so messy. I'm so sorry. Check result. Oh wait, no, we want our score first. Player score for that opinion will be that. And the final result of the verb check will be true or false. And that will be that. Now, that's going to take a little while to read. Let's give myself 15 seconds. And we'll put it in red, so promise it. Okay, so we can verb check the player. We don't actually have any way of setting the player's stats for that. So for the moment, I'm just going to be a bit of a nerd and randomize that. Instruction if randomize opinions. Randomize opinions for I'll do it for one thing. So I can just feed it into the player here. Player and his opinions are there. I'm going to get PC opinions index. And 0 leaves the place, that's fine. Okay. That should be okay. Set array element. Make. We're just going to randomize it somewhere within a certain range. In range, anywhere between 0 and 50. And I would like a way to view this as well, so I'm going to make a quick little widget to preview what the NPC feels about the player. Go back to here, conversations you are, renew you are, or you are, new viewer. Going to need a variable here for the NPC. See. And on construction, the NPC to get their opinions. Going to get index 0 for the player. And oh boy, it's random time.
Do I need to build an arena to do Moonlord? What's the strat?
Okay. Buffer X1, hello there. How are you doing? What was that, Maddie? Sorry.
I was asking, do I need to build an arena for the Moonlord or something?
Yeah, normal or expert?
Normal.
Oh, you can do it.
Okay.
Wow. I put a lot of Amarilla in that. We. I'm getting into the immersion.
I was about to say you're gonna have very realistic dialogue in this game.
I'm gonna wake up tomorrow morning. It's just 12 pages of fucking gibberish. One of the fucking text prompts is just gonna be the entire Communist Manifesto or something. So
Make it
keen.
the 4chan copy pasta. What the fuck did you just say to me, you dumb bitch?
If they call you a cop, that's the response.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Okay, I need to.
If when I beat the last pillar, does it immediately summon the Moonlord?
It's a short delay, and then it does, yeah. Like, be
Okay,
ready
fuck.
when you destroy the last one.
Okay.
Let's break the box.
That's okay.
Text. Can I put this on here? No, I can't. Dang. Okay, let's put it here. And this. That is how I spell
Okay,
it.
going home. Using my sharpening station. Oh, fuck yeah, Moonlord's on his way.
Ruh-roh, Shaggy.
Rut-row Raggy, unironically. That's literally what I'm doing right now. I'm rut-rowing with Raggy. Final boss time. Come on, summon, you fuck. I've used all my potions.
Oh no, yeah, wait until you see him. I mean, you'll
Oh,
still
wow.
have the thing. It's like 20 seconds or something, but still. Sometimes you do have to buff multiple times during a fight.
Yeah, that's okay. I've got many of the buffers.
Oh god, it's EDM mix.
Oh, that again.
Yeah, the Terraria Day theme remix. Nope. Dude, the Terraria,
There it is.
Terraria soundtrack is. Oh, good luck.
Thank you.
The context matters in the background.
Oh, that went fast. I died.
It's fighting Moonlord.
I got maybe like, I don't know, a sixth of his health down.
Oh. Yeah, I don't know. He's a tough. He's literally like the final boss, so I don't know. Just keep going at it. But it's also like about learning the attacks and all that.
Yeah.
And how to
Of course, the frustration is that it takes like 9 years to get him to spawn.
Yeah.
So you have to do the pillars every time.
Yeah.
And you have to beat the cultist to get the pillars as well.
Mm-hmm.
So I have to do the cultist and then the pillars and then him every single time. Yeah,
Yeah.
fuck that. I'm quitting the game.
No. Like give it a little break. Give it a little break, but
No ways. I'm not spending that much time out of my life.
he's so close.
Fuck that shit. I've been at that part of the game for like a year and a half anyways, right? That's the last time I played it.
Yeah, but like not actively playing it.
Yeah, but like listen, if I'm gonna beat him, that means I'm probably gonna have to like do it a good like 6-7 times. That's gonna take like 12 hours out of my fucking life. That's 12 hours of my life I could be doing anything else.
I think give it a little break and then maybe try it with Bjorn, or like if you want to wait for Bjorn to get there, or I don't actually know where he is in the game, but
Yeah, he's a little further back. I
Mm.
guess.
It's
Maybe
nice
I'll
too,
wait.
but
I'll wait.
let yourself like take a little break from it because it
Ugh,
can get frustrating. No, I get
I
you,
just
but
yeah.
you're right there. I'm gonna be a cheerleader for you. You got this, Matt. I believe in you. Simply screech. It
Mm-hmm.
weakens him. Did you know that Terraria actually listens to your microphone, and the louder you scream, the more ducks appear?
That's crazy. That's such good
Yeah.
design that they did that.
Mm, mm,
It's not even like it's not that I hate playing difficult games. I just don't like when I'm not having fun playing the
mm.
game.
No, I don't know, 100%. I
Um,
get you. But I'm gonna EA on you and tell you about that pattern accomplishment that like it can get really frustrating to do it solo, um, but it's still nice to be able to beat them in the end.
I
And
truly believe in my heart of hearts that I'm going to finish it and feel empty inside and be sad that I wasted time playing
I think that's why I'm encouraging you not to do it right now. Like do it with Bjorn because it'll make it easier. Um,
it.
but also like he does have more health, but like two people definitely makes it easier. I think what the fuck I was doing. Oh right, I was looking at these. Trust power level. Trust power love. And we'll color these different ones. Sure, why not? Trust is going to be yellow. Power is going to be red. Or love is going to be blue. Because fuck tradition.
I don't know. I think the thing for me is that like I don't actually like I don't have the motivation to beat the Moon Lord really.
Hmm.
It's like I've gotten 307 hours of entertainment out of Terraria.
Okay.
Like I don't know. I try to be responsible about when it comes to games. I need to be healthy when I'm like I've played this enough.
Yeah.
I've
Okay,
had
now I get
fun.
you.
I've gotten my worth out of the game. And I don't want to like tank my mental health spending the next like 4 days and then being like I should have just worked on music.
Yeah. Okay, now I get you.
So I don't know.
If
I'll
you
leave it.
feel,
I'll
yeah.
wait until Bjorn gets to like end game,
Mm.
and then if he wants to do it together, we can do it
Mm.
together.
Okay.
Maybe every now and then I'll go and I'll farm Plantera because I do want to make the Zenith for fun.
Mm.
Yeah. I don't know. The last like couple weeks have been very video game bad.
Oh, okay.
I haven't really been enjoying games much.
Mm.
Trying to remind myself that that's obviously just like a temporary slump.
Mm.
Um, like I really, really enjoyed Dragon's Dogma when we played that.
Mm.
I enjoyed Dark Souls when I finished that. I enjoyed Borderlands when I played through the whole series last year. So
Mm.
it's not like I hate games all of a sudden.
Mm.
Just I'm not enjoying them right now.
That's solid.
Don't really have the motivation to play anything like story based or
Mm.
it's kind of
Yeah.
like at the end of the day I'm like, oh, I could just sit down and do a run of a roguelite and that's about as far as I'm gonna get in the game.
Mm.
Moment, and that's okay.
Yeah,
Ooh,
it's okay.
Borderlands 3's on sale. It's $300 at the moment.
Oh. I think I have it somewhere. I'm not too sure.
Pretty fun.
Oh yeah, no, like it's a really good game. Jeez.
Obviously more fun with friends, but
Mm.
it's definitely fun. Like I've played through all of it. I think I literally there's 2 DLCs I haven't played, but I've done everything else in the whole game. Yeah. I got very heavy into the series last year at one point.
I am a dummy. I realize that these are all 0 to 1, aren't they? Yeah, they are. Okay. Divide that by 100.
Have you seen Loop Hero? Do you have an opinion on it?
I haven't, so I can't say much.
Okay.
What's it about?
It's I have no idea how to explain. Hold on, let me take a look. So, wait, before I do that, Caves of Cud. Any opinion?
Caves of Code isn't that the not the text-based one? It's the ASCII
Yeah, it's
one.
not text based, but it's ASCII art, and it's got like a
Uh,
million. Yeah, it just
I
seems
feel
like
like I
something you'd
need
enjoy.
to. Yeah, no, I feel like it has been on my list for a while. Yeah, so this is the procedural generated cultural one. Is the wait, no, it's a cultural one, post-apocalyptic one. Um,
Post-apocalyptic. Caves of Cud is a
this is the one
science
that
fantasy roguelike epic
see.
steeped in retrofuturism, deep simulation, swirls of sentient plants.
This is the one that Seth Tech, whatever his name is, did the review on, right?
Seth Zintok, that guy. I
Yeah.
think he did. I haven't watched it.
I'll just search 5 S's and 1Z. There you go. Seth Drama.
I mean,
Uh-oh.
the dude does constantly signal like
Oh yeah, no,
not
he's a bit
talking
he's a bit of a
points.
weird one. But I'm just in terms of the Caves of Cud thing. Uh,
I'm looking for something like right now. I'm looking for something like very low. Like I don't want to be very actiony, spamming buttons. I want to sit down at the end of the day after working on my music and just like I can't think. Okay, I'm watching his review.
oh, okay. I'm not gonna look at any of that. Yeah. Oh, I don't know any of the drama, but yes, it does look like a really cool game. Um, stay muted while Matt watches that video. Um, conversation main. We will have the opinion viewer up in the top right. A very simple thing. And the NPC owner. Get NPC owner. Oh wait, no. I'm going to set the NPC owner. Get NPC owner. And we'll see if this initializes properly. It should. But I don't know what order things actually initialize in on here. That's probably. Okay, well that's fucking nothing. That's nothing either. Yeah, okay, let's pull this on it. Custom init opinions. And then also check this is valid. It's valid. And then we go back to the main here, and then we just init opinions. There you go. So I think it's an opposite order where it Oh fuck! I mean, I don't know. It's weird in the order that he's constructing. There you go. So you can see it's a little dynamic valley there. Yeah. So I need to fix that. Okay, so this guy seems to use pretty powerful, but I haven't actually added the check-in yet. I've just added a preview for it. So let's go back to the PC, and we're going to vibe check the player. Did I actually? Oh yeah, I did, but I haven't called it yet. It's within the conversation main. We're going to here. We need to vibe check the player. NPC owner. Yet. Going to vibe check. And we're just going to feed in all of this. So required option index, greater or less than, the value, and then the success. I'm going to success. We're going to select int. Oh god, this is getting a little bit messy. Just a little bit. Down there, exit codes. We're going to on a success pick A, and that'll be index 1. On a failure, index 0. Pick NPC's opinion on player. So we do also. I want to have a thing in here to change the color of the text. I need to have the coloring opacity here. Let's text color opacity. This will be the variable. Different variable. Text color. That'll be exposed on spawn, and by default it'll be white. And now, what I'm going to do is just, my own sanity, I'm going to select a color here, and then I'll be able to see if a check should succeed or fail. And A will be success, make it a nice little green, and a red will be a fail. That'll show us very clearly what we will and won't be able to do. Now, that should allow us to, hello? See. So, are you here with anyone? No, I think it's the wrong way around. So what's your name should be, oh no, sorry, that's the friendliness. So what's your name? Yes, okay, so, less than 30, play score. Finals are true, so that shouldn't be, I think I got it the wrong way around with the checks. Let's check here. Let's see. I don't know. Anyone? That's funny, just leave me alone. Okay, I messed that up. Okay. I think I've got these scores in the wrong order where the checks aren't... It's checking less than instead of greater than. Owning NPC, conversation response prompt. Where is this coming in? Owning NPC? Is it button? Oh. Let's check if this is valid. Don't know why it's not being set though. That's not good. Anyway. So less than or greater than. True or false? True. It defaults to false. Okay, fuck. So I kind of want to reverse that. Because most of the time I'm going to be doing greater than. Okay, let's do that in the topic. No, in the opinion query. Less or greater. Save that. Responses. Get trigger. It's greater than. Okay, cool. No, what? Yeah, okay, sorry. I'm being dumbass. Now back in the... If you see, in the vibe check, we're going to just swap these around. So now it should... we just swapped it to... Yeah, look at a different one here. Now is this right? Wait. So... On a true here, be... Oh no, what the fuck? I got this wrong right now. So the second one needs to be larger. Okay, fuck it, we'll try this. And let's see if that works. Very much power. This one doesn't go shit about me. Okay, hello. Let's check this. So, yeah. So, the object opinion index, it doesn't list that. Why doesn't it list the index? Where's the... Oh, I didn't think that in index. Yoink! There you go. So it doesn't care. This one, I don't think it's worth 30. Nope. It's the same one. That's totally the same one. Back. Stop it. Yeah, that should be enough. Okay. How do you do? So that is checking it. Okay. So in both of these it should work. So what's your name? That's index 0. So it's checking the friendliness. I don't think I have anything there. It's to 2. I think it just calls the bouncer, doesn't it? Yeah. So this is technically a success, but yeah, I haven't linked it up to the proper thing. So I want to check it with one that doesn't have enough friendliness. No, you like me too much. Stop liking me. You don't like me. What's your name? And then check here. The vibe check on 0. My score is 6, so the final result is false. And the second one, the power is... I need to actually list that. Opinion index 2 is false. So now, why is it saying this? So I failed the friendliness check, but the last one here, the power, my power is too low here. So it's checking 1 for trust, but it should be checking power there. So if I say yeah, shoot, instance respect, and say yeah, but my bad. But my power is very low there. Trust is high, so it's checking the trust, which it shouldn't be. So we'll check that. Uh, Sponsors. Okay, yeah, I think it's here. Showing some respect, number 2. So this is number 2 here. The power. Okay. Okay, I think we got that. So now this one over here, I want to add a little hook in here to call up a random name. What's your name? 0. The there here. What's your name? That goes to number 2. So we want that to go to. Do I have anything down here? Number 4. If I just leave it alone. Yeah, okay. We want to go to 5 on that. Exit codes 5. Close out the prompts there, make a new one. Go all the way down. This is just for 5 fucking sentences. Oh god. Okay. See dialogue. I'm name. Nice to meet you. And then fuck it. I'll deal with that later. And then opinion adjustments. That'll add 20 to friendliness. Power. No, trust will add 20 as well. And fuck it, 5% of flirtiness. And like it loves that. Because why not? Okay. God. Ooh. What's your name? You don't care. What are your cop or something? Because I'm just curious. Yeah, some respect. Why is it going to that? It shouldn't be checking trust. Okay, what is happening there? Bob check. Yes. So the opinion index. It's 2 here, and I know it's 2. So now is in the viewer. 2. 2 is number 2 is power. So what the fuck? It's checking something else besides power for some reason. What the fuck? You there. Hello. See, this also has a lot of friendliness. And I think it's the wrong way around. Am I just dumbass? Wait. Wait, fuck. No, look at. So it's false there. Nations respect. See, it's checking 1 there for some reason. I don't know why. Number 2. It's 2. It's here. What the fuck? Exit codes 3. It's weird. Get it. Let's take it slow, and I just want to read that one again. Okay, that's not the right one. This one should work. Hello. Wait, why are you... Also, wait, why are you not redirecting to the correct thing? What's your name? 0, 5. Did I get these in the wrong order? Am I just a dumbass? Right, conversation main. Okay. Am I a dumbass? Oh, wait, I might be a dumbass. Uh-oh. Shaggy. All these are going to be false, so it needs to be greater than the requested value. This is the final result, okay? So the requested value is going to be shit, pick one, yeah. It's being weird to me. A. That's true, yeah. What else is that? False is A is greater than B. Yes. So what the fuck? I get it. Very strange. You there. Hello. Let's check these slowly. Okay. The first one at the top is, what is your name? No, the first one at the top is, yeah. Are you here with anyone? Are you here with anyone? Is that checking index 2? 1. Not doing anything. It's 2, okay. So the 2 there is for birth trace, that's fine. Okay. What is your name? I'm Name, nice to meet you. Okay. That was what I wanted. Okay, so you, how do you do? Hello. Oh, you are saying that index 0. Wait, so now it's working. Like, did I just not save it or something? Index 2. No, why is that? Wait. Okay, let's print the fucking thing as well. And nope. And I'm just going to bring this into here. Debug preview string. Just to make things easier. And this is going to be the debug preview string and responses. It's going to be this response. Yoink. That should make it a little bit easier to read this. And now I can see what we're looking at. No. So, in this case, are you here with anyone? Can you check? Yeah, they've passed that. What's your name? So now, what's your name is checking. I think these indexes are getting fucked up. Why? Okay, what's your name? Oh, nice to meet you. Okay, cool. Hello. This is some weird shit, dude. Oh god, okay, fuck. This is some weird shit. Bleed.
Hey, what's the...
Oh, my indexes are getting all mixed up. Spaghetti code is getting too strangled up.
Oh no.
Did you watch the Sentencing King video?
I watched like 5 minutes of it.
Hmm.
Nothing wrong with it, I don't know. I'm not feeling like...
Yeah.
Feeling engaged. I don't know what I want to do with my evening.
Hmm.
I haven't watched TV in a million years. I could just watch something.
Have you watched Love, Death and Robots?
Haven't, no, not yet.
Oh. Mm, I mean, there's always those other ones in season 1 if you want to check those out. But I have seen a couple episodes of season 2.
John's also been trying to make me watch Castlevania.
Yeah, Castlevania is super good.
It's gonna be really weird watching an anime in English.
It's still well done though. Yeah, but I get you. I mean, I'm not too into the subculture, more that dumb culture. Yeah, and I can see how it would be quite strange.
That's just because I'm not used to it, you know. But yeah, I don't even watch a lot of like English cartoons and stuff. But it was made in English. So I'll watch it in English. Okay, each episode's like 25 minutes, and each season's quite short.
Yeah, no, it's I want it to be longer, but it's still really good.
Okay.
And just like, I know, kind of it feels weird to say this, like, you know, watch it until like the later seasons. It gets better, but it's mainly like the fight sequences. They get so fucking good. Like, just if the story seems like your vibe, which the story is very much my vibe, then it's very worth like sticking it out through. I mean, I found it engaging all the way through, but just letting you know that season 4 fights are fantastic. So far, at least, I haven't seen them all. I will say that following a lot of animators on Twitter, like when the new season dropped, everyone's like, "Hey, this stuff out of NDA now. Like, I can finally show you these cool storyboards, the fight sequences." And I'm like looking at these, and I'm like, "Hey, we don't know that character. Oh fuck, this is a huge spoiler." Like,
oh shit!
Scroll down. But it's really cool though. Like, it's so cool seeing behind the scenes stuff. But like, I'm just so on guard now. Let's check here. So the response success query. Wait, response success query here. It is getting the right one. I'm so confused. The rest of these are fine, but this one is getting the wrong index. The opinion query is down here. Nothing is changing. Dude. Like, I'm printing out all this shit. Print a pen, and we're just gonna put all these things in here. No, wait. Fuck it. No. God damn it, I can't. I'm just angry. Angy. haven't actually vibe checked here either. What the fuck? I'm so fucking confused. I'm just gonna do this one with one, and have a file option 130. Okay. So give me a drink. So is it for the wrong index? One down here is for let's fart. 0 over here is for give me a drink. But why is one going to... So if I do... Okay, so let's reset this down here to -1. Set this to 0. And now we're going to set 2 to the same thing that we just had that. And we're going to see if the fart changes. So 130. Now... Cheese menu. No, still give me a drink. What the fuck? Oh, this fart goes to -1, so it won't worry about it. Shit, okay. God, this is confusing. Default here, we're going to set this back to 0, -1. The exit codes, 1 here. What? Wait, no. What's this gonna... Oh my god. That's what fucks me up. Like, it literally has the exit codes within the same struct that it's getting it wrong. Dude, my brain is fucked right now. So I'm gonna just mute music on here so that I can listen to my big jammies. My thinking music. I'm gonna put a little heart next to get a drink so we can see that. Oh no, let's fart actually. I think it does. Yeah, it really does. So one over here, yeah? So one, quiet option index. We're at 30. Alright. It's -1 and 2. We'll put that at 1 in case. Sheets menu. See, now fuck me, dude. It's getting this index wrong. I've put that on let's fart and it's putting it up at give me a drink. Even this check. It's trying to. What the fuck, dude? Can you not? Can you just like chill the fuck out and please work? That's not even getting that right. Wait, no, what the fuck? It's not even checking let's fart. Why wouldn't it be checking let's fart? Let's do that one more time. Give me a drink. Oh, got a weird queue. Clear queue. Yep. Right. There you go. Debug string. Oh my god, dude. This is so strange. I'm just gonna save all of this, just in case. I'm genuinely on the verge of like restarting this because it's just fucking up the indexes. It's just not working. Prompt here. Dude. This was in the same prompt, yeah? I'm literally going to close all of them and open up 0 again. Okay, so within this prompt. Index 1, let's fart. Okay, yes. I'm going to go to index 1. And it checks opinion 1 if it's greater than 30. And if it is, then it goes to 1, which is index 2. I'm sorry, index 1, which is exit code 2. Right. But it doesn't. Goes to let's grab a drink. For some reason. And it's not even checking. Is it just because these aren't? Do these need to be like reinitialized or something? Just literally shake them around in the level a little bit. Oh, wait, no, fuck. It's fine. No fucking way to that. Wait, no, what the fuck? That. Oh my god. Cheats menu. Let's start. Check option 1. It's greater than 3. I'm gonna shoot something, dude. I literally just had to wiggle the fucking. I had to wiggle the NPCs around to reinitialize them in the world. What the fuck was changing? You there? I'm
What
not
you need?
dumb. I'm not dumb, I promise. But the dumbest fucking bug just happened. So
Okay, tell me about the bug.
there's a whole conversation tree which has like prerequisite checks to see if you can pass a conversation check or not. And it was always getting the wrong indexes for some stuff, for some reason. And I've been staring at this shit for like an hour and a half now. And essentially, things that you place in the world originally that aren't spawned in dynamically sometimes just don't update. They just don't reconstruct they don't reinitialize the scripts. So when you change something, it might still have the old version of it. And so I've been staring at these NPCs, this little T-posing cheese slices, for an hour and a half, and been looking over my code over and over and over, and the solution was to wiggle them around and try it again. It is the dumbest shit I've ever experienced.
That is soul crushing. That is deeply hurtful, dude. How do you feel?
Like, on the one hand, I can't understand, but on the other hand, like, oh my fuck.
I'm very sorry.
I'm gonna get a glass of wine. You know, fuck. I'll check in a little bit.
Okay.
All right, we back in action.
He returns.
I've got my cope on. I'm ready. So what you up to? Are you checking out Castlevania?
Yeah, I think I'll watch an episode later while I eat.
Nice.
Yeah, I think I'm going to try and
Mhm.
just the whole of next week, just like not play any games. I think maybe
Mm. Okay, yeah.
yeah, now thinking about how I'm gonna set up my recording situation. I've got a high table and a low table in this lounge. And I might rearrange the lounge so that I'm seeing with the couches behind me with a blanket draped over the high table and my laptop on the low table underneath the high table so that I've isolation on all sides and
Sorry, I
like it
lost track of
absorbs
that a
all
little
of the
bit. There
room
was a lot of
sound.
tables there.
Um,
So you're doing
Creating
like
like a little
a
mini
little
shelter
bunker.
inside of
Okay,
my
yeah.
lounge essentially.
Nice. Cool. Are you
So
excited or are you like
you
nervous
delayed
or?
for a while, but I heard what you
Oh.
said. Um, I'm excited. I'm just worried. I'm honestly I'm mainly just worried about like the vocals ruining the instrumentals. That's all.
Mm.
I don't want to like record it and be like, well, everything sounds like shit. Why did I do this in the first place?
Mm.
Yeah. But I mean, when I go back and I listen through the instrumentals, I'm actually really proud of pretty much all of them.
Mm.
Um, yeah. So I think as long as I don't perform like shit, it'll be fine.
Mm. Okay.
Yeah, and then I do want to do the whole like overdriven vocal effect, but I want to try and make it subtle enough that it's still like you can still hear the vocals. I don't want it to be completely
Mm.
like as much as I like really early car seat headrests and stuff, the vocals are so destroyed. Distortion, like you
Mm.
can't hear what he's saying sometimes, just like
Yeah.
vanishes. So I've got to find the right balance there.
Mm. Everyone trust me. Somebody please think I'm a cop. There you go. You think I'm a cop. What's your name? All right. Stripping the power. Yep. Yeah. Cool. Cool.
What's up?
No, I'm just refactoring a little bit of code so I don't have to do that wiggle thing.
Okay.
And seems like it's okay, but like in doing my test, I fucked up some of my dialogue trees. So I'm just going back and
Oh shit.
reordering them. Um, yeah. Walk speed down to 50. I'm going to change the capsule size. The let's check out this audio stuff. E4 audio avoidance. Crowd controller. That's cool. Detour crowd AR. Wonder. Got a fuck ton of these. NPCs. I'm gonna bring this all the way back and just close all the tabs to the right. RVO. Is RVO avoidance? Avoidance weight 4.5. Okay, let's try that. Right, we'll do that. Yeah, that works well for my needs. I did, yeah. What's the radius on Avio? Avoidance. I'll change it to 300. So I can still get really close to each other. That seems pretty good. Hmm. Okay, now I need to get them to have specific spots in these zones that they go and chill out. Yes, okay. So we're going to save that. I'm going to submit this in the meantime, because holy shit, I haven't done this yet. Dates, crowd, AR, working. Do I even have purples open? I do. Hey, look at all those projects. There you go. Okay. I don't need these walls. They're not gonna run away. Okay, let's. Should we just start modeling a map? I kind of want to, yeah. Look at something a little bit more interesting. Okay, let's do that. Script. Blender. And we are going to look up shady bar. Digital painting. I feel like those are more interesting and yeah, they're quite fun. Yes, look at this. Look at that. What you need to have. Oh, I love these. Oh, this is beautiful. I'll just have this like JPEG, and that's where you go through. What you need to have. These are beautiful. Version tab. That's like, yeah. That's great. Okay, copy image. Okay. New, we're going to get the thing here. And you can save this as. No, we're gonna have this in bonk 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 bonk. AI and Gamejam. Assets. Really. Wow. Right, no, don't have a hash in there. Me. Bars. don't want to save it on a hash location. It feels wrong. Assets. Right. No. There you go. Okay. Now in here, we're going to have the bars. Oh, there you go. Oh, that's a big boy. I think it's a huge image. A military base, though. That's the place from Kill Bill, isn't it? No. No, it's a little bit different. Modern Combat 5. Yeah, I like these cramped doorways. I'm worried that the cramped doorways are gonna. Okay, so that's the thing. I want to make the like corridors and stuff pretty cramped. Um, and the kind of collision capsules of the characters pretty small, so they can actually be past each other. But then I want to make the character models quite a lot larger and like apply physics. So they kind of like flop past each other, and like look, they're squishing past corridors. I think that'd be quite nice. That is a big image. Okay. I'm getting an okay idea of what I want. So we'll start with. Oh god, I haven't used Blender in ages. Yeah, so the plane. Start with the floor plan of the bar is the thing that I have the best idea in mind for. Alright. We'll have a little. Right. Cylinder. Makes it 2 meters tall. Okay, that's our little guy. Yoink. You're our reference character. I need to make like a trim sheet for wood. Hmm. Yeah, it's going to be stools up here, and then I think down here there will be a little staircase going down. SX0. No, shit. SX0. That's not X. What the fuck? S X? No? Y? Yes, Y0. Weird. Right, this is SX0. SX0. There you go. Okay. A little bit that way. And then, how's this one working? So it needs to come a little bit that way. Is that right? Yeah. No, so this is going to be the outside here. I'm going to do this. That's the bar there at the top, the dance floor down here. The dance floor can extend out this way. And the front door will be out this way. Okay, that's the layout of our first club. Should probably set these colors. Yeah, actually. So that's going to be wood planks. All right. Dark brown. Sun. And this is going to be the dance floor. Dance floor. That'll be like a purple or something. And then actually let's flame these are different areas. Bar. Idle zone. Or just mist, I guess. Miscellaneous. Make that like a darkish blue. Something there. Yeah, okay. And actually, this over here should be assigned to mist. There you go. This could be a balcony, yeah. New balcony. Okay. I should make that like a green or something. Okay. That's the one. Entrance will be down there. So have a long bar on the side here. And the dance floor to the left. And then a balcony down at the back here. No, that's not there. This will be miscellaneous. Assign it there, and then this will be the dance floor. And then out here needs to be the balcony. Okay, that's the second one. The third one. When is this going to be practical? Making it like this will make this one like a downstairs thing. It's real creepy. The bar back here. And also there's no dance floor here. This place is shadier. There'll be a lot of tables around there, and let's add a bit more. Oh, that's boring layout. And another area down here. We'll bring this in. No. Then we'll do one more, I think. Plane. This one will be like a high rise on a roof. How do I do this? Okay. Yeah, I'll chat to you tomorrow, later, whenever. I'll be on for a while, so yeah, but no pressure to hop back on if you're tired. Cool. Okay. Cool. Will do. Cool. Thanks. Cheerio. Just for context, that was Matt saying goodbye. I had it muted because I'm looking to the old copyrighted music, so yeah, it's just saying cheers. This is going to be a little exclusive upstairs bar. And every place needs to have a bar because that's kind of like the reason you're there. Let's have it up there. Gonna be a small bar, and then most of this will be a dance floor. Going to be miscellaneous sun. That is going to be the bar. Assign it. This is the balcony. Balcony assign there, and this is the dance floor. There you go. And actually, fuck it, let's have another dance floor on here, because why not? Assign it there as well. Cool. Those are our 4 bar layouts. Let's see if we can create them. Layout 1, layout 2, layout 3, layout 4. The one I don't capitalize. I need to. There you go. Okay. And all of the origin points are, yeah, it's fun. Doesn't work. Yeah, and I think I'll just have like a little physics door or something, because I don't have to worry about all that. Let's actually plan out the road structure as well. Road. How wide is a road? Like that wide? Yeah, it seems right. Yeah, that's cool. Like that. And like that. And I think I'm just going to make it a boring square like that. And you know what, actually? Easy way to do that is to make it into a square. Make it into a square, like a rectangle like that. And extrude manifold. No, extrude along normals. No? Fuck, I don't know. Inset. There you go. That's better. And just delete the center. Donk. Oh, shit. Delete faces. There you go. Shit. I need to make corners for this. That's why. There. Ah, fuck. I messed this up. No. How do I do this? We'll make it 10. There you go. 10. Leave 10 there. And this will be positive 10. Cool. And now we do the same. There. 10. 10. Oh, it's so close. Mine's 10. Why? Ah, God. There. It's so close. Why is it? It just fucks up by like a tiny amount. Okay, anyway. M, dissolve by distance, full moved, yeah. And we remove the face here. And now we can add these roads that go up to the side. So I just want to add some areas that the player can't access. It's like a main road that goes through there. Yeah, we'll do that. And like that. And I'm just talking to myself at this point, sorry. Clap overlap. I'm just making some really janky roads. Up there. Right there. Cool. And that's going to be our main map done in this little section here. So now we need to insert a tiny amount. No? About a little bit more. There you go. Like that. 2 meters, sure. And yeah, that looks good. Extrude downwards by 0.05. Whoa. Can't even. No, that's up. Negative 0.1. There you go. That's a curb. The 10 centimeter high curb. I think it's pretty fucking huge for a curb, but screw it. Like, I don't know. I need to. Okay, so we're going to make this road. And sidewalk. Sidewalk. Sun sidewalk, there you go. And I think I should add a slight level to that, just so I can SY0. No, SX0. There you go. And then same here, SX0. BY. Yeah, just like that. There you go. Reveal that. Is that okay? Oh. Ah! Fuck. There you go. Do that. That's not pretty, but it works. And I'm gonna do the same here. But prettier. There you go. Just like that. Oh, that's fucking gross. What is happening here? Wow, we just dissolved that. Hope for the best. There you go. That worked. That worked really well. Same here. Magic dissolve, go. Neat. If we triangulate this, you can play nice. Hey, look at that. Oh, king. Alright, let's do the same here. It's just... Oh, no. Just there. Dissolve and triangulate. Thank you. Cool. That's our road structure. So now we need to drag in our bars that we're going to have around. Put this one. This one needs, it has a balcony, so it needs to be on a corner. Like that. No? No, it needs to be... Entrance is here. This way. Balcony. Where was I thinking of this balcony? Maybe that can be into like an alleyway or something. But I'll need to bring this up and then have like an entrance on the side here. Yeah. We're going to do that. And then we're actually going to have the entrance a little bit to the side here. There you go. Like that. Let's have this road go up a little bit. Soft selection. There you go. A bit of an up. And same there. There you go. I like that. Yeah, it's wonky, but like it'll work. That's proper squonk. God damn. All right, good luck, pedestrians. Um, and then yeah, let's have a back entrance to this one. So this one you enter in through the top, and then even if you get kicked out of every single place, might still be, you know, an entrance for you. You can just avoid the bouncer at the top here. That'll be fun. I want to do that though. Through the back here, yeah. This is fun. Yep. Go there. Needs to go a little bit higher though. To there. Yeah, that works. Yeah, that should work. Yeah, let's make this one the upper class. Like there. Just off the side there. Like that. And then use that here. Yeah. And then I feel like we need... No, okay, we're going to leave it like that for now. We can always add more in the future, but that's good for now. And let's tidy up this road. Step this a little bit. That. And like that. This is some shoddy modeling, but it works. Alright. Alright. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Let's put that there. I'll share this on the thing. Okay, let's try export this and see how it goes. Export as an FBX. As it's 3D. Road and bars layout. Select objects, mesh, plus scaling. No, apply transform. Yeah, screw it, I'll apply the transform. Big animation, there's nothing in there. Geometry, normals only. So just empty space. Yep. And now we bring this in. What else? Static mesh. 3D. This will be thingy. Method, import normals, empty space. I didn't generate UVs. Do not create material. Right. Import. Rodin, bars, letters, and 0. Yep, that's fine. Put that at 0. That's pretty close to scale we want, yeah. Let's put it all at 0. And now I'm just going to delete all these cubes. And we're going to redo these zones. Right, cancel. I can delete these, yeah. And all of the actors we can delete these. Donk. Right. All these sphere reflections. Goodbye. Bonk. And yeah, I want to redo these UVs real quick. UV editing. Smart UV project. It's cool. Smart UV project. Bonk. I'm a lazy boy. Smart UV project. Bonk. Smart UV project. I don't think I did that one rastly. Yeah. Bonk, bonk. Smart TV project. Cool. Hey, go away. There you go. Now we can re-export it. Stop it. Export FBX. Yeah. Let me just re-import these. Re-import. Give me the UVs. Bonk, there you go. Nice. Tasty, clean UVs. Okay. That looks like a fucking steep staircase. Yeah, screw it. We'll pick it up. Okay, now we need nav mesh. I'll forget that. Nav mesh bounce volume. That should be good. Let's cover everything. Yeah, but the collision, it's shit. So we need to edit assets, asset actions with property matrix. The collision? Complex collision mesh. Okay, I can't do it. I need to do it one by one. Collision, complexity, complex is simple. Complex. 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 That should be good. There you go. This is not in. Just like that. There you go. Cool. We can almost walk everywhere. Let's go through and just tweak some stuff real quick. That is connected. It's also working. Okay, that's fun. It's just this thing here. And if that's the case, then can you just... I'm wondering how I should approach this. Do these have material slots? They do. Yeah, okay, they do. Okay, let's assign these colors. Materials, basic. Yeah, let's just do this. Stone, we're just going to use it for the road here. Basic white for that. The bar is going to have, right? Bar, bar, bar. Dance floor will have the sky blue. Dance floor. Misc. Dance floor. Stone will be the misc. And then the metal will be the balcony. Cool. So now I can tell what zones are where. Where's the light? Let's change the time of day real quick. That's cool. And the sky. Oh wait, did I not change the? And it's fine. Here's the basic layout of everything, and everything is connected here. Except for that, and I want to adjust that real quick. That. Just like that. There you go. Cool. Sorry, I'm not even talking to myself. I'm just staying silent. My brain is in a different mode. And then let's just re-unwrap that. Cool. And then we'll export it all again. Export, FBX. Yep. And we'll just re-import this one. Import. Oh, there you go. We have our basic layout. I'll do the zones, and then I'll do a little preview showing off how those all work together, and then I'm going to end the stream for tonight, but I will carry on working on it. So for now, let's get these zones in place. Blueprints, to get the zone link, and we'll put that out front here. The zone definition, each of these. That. I think these actually need to be pretty short, otherwise there's a chance the AI tries to find a space to walk inside the sky, and that ain't good. That should be good then, because it has a reprojection anyway. Okay. Let's just add these in real quick. And we need to name these. Let's get some text in here. What could this be called? The leaky tap. This one. This one will be I feel like this one is a fairly country vibe. You know, I'm gonna come up with a lot of these later and redo them. So for now, it's the cowboy's horse. Cowboy's horse. The leaky tap. I actually don't think this one's the leaky tap. I think this one up here is the leaky tap. This one doesn't have a wow. This one doesn't have a dance floor. And oh shit, never mind. Give me the leaky tap. Leaky tap. Wait. This is the leaky tap up here. This one is the cowboy's horse. This one is going to be a grungy one for like punks. And this one up here is going to be all high and marty. So either it's got a flaunty name, like a fancy one, or I could just do a throwback. Dude. It's going to be the Ducky's Potion. Ducky's Cauldron. Actually, maybe this one's a Ducky's Cauldron. I feel like this should go down though. If it's like a grungy one, it feels more natural to me. Yeah, maybe. It's nice to have this verticality here because otherwise it feels like this whole side of the map goes down. You know what? I actually want to I'm gonna make another one. I'm gonna make it an entrance like back here, and it's just a garage or something. Like there's just gonna be like delivery vans, and you know it's just people chilling around there. That'll be cool. Might even be off to the side here. So this one is this is the Ducky's Cauldron, the high and mighty. No, actually, this one's gonna be the Ducky's Cauldron. This one still needs to have a high and mighty name. Like that. Ducky's Cauldron. This one is going to be just fuck it, this is the Malhar Club. Cowboy's Horse, the Ducky's Cauldron, the Leaky Tap, and then we'll have what's it? Wait, that skate wobble. It's like a speed wobble. Skate speed wobble. There needs to be like a term for this though. Slang. My brother's still awake. My brother skates a lot. You know what? I'll just call this a speed wobble for now. Speed wobble. And that's TBD. Let's actually model that real quick. This you have to like go through a back alley to get to it. Yeah, sorry, I'm just thinking about this too much. That. Just like that. And this is going to be a little back area here. Nope. Nope. Back here, there for the bar. Yeah, I want that to be like a garage. People like just going in there and partying. Yeah, just like that. Cool. It's also a little bit of verticality to this, because verticality is fun. Cool. Layout 5. And we're just gonna unwrap this real quick. Might UV project. We will assign all of this to MISC. MISC, assign. This is the dance floor. Assign there. And down here is the bar. Assign that. Cool. Let's just export this separately. Export FBX. Layout 5. And this should apply transform, yep. Now drop this in there, over here, layout 5. No, wait, where is this? Over here. Oh god, I'm getting sleepy. I need like energy drink. Import that and drop it in. Put the transform to 0 and there you go. Wonderful. So the bar is going to be that. Dance floor is the sky blue. And the MISC is the stone. There you go. So there is our speed wobble as well. And I think that is a good number of bars to have. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, let's quickly do these. This needs to have a name. Local zone link. Local zone name. Local zone name is the Duck's Cauldron. Duck's Cauldron. This zone is called the Speed Wobble. Leaky Tap. The Cowboys Horse. I really want to change that. I don't like that name. This feels weird. What's the Mountain Club? It's just cliche. Clubbin. Club. Right. Let's just assign these. This is the dance floor. Dance floor. Lounge. I don't know. Bar. Balcony. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Donk. 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 There you go. Cool. I'll just do that for the rest of these. Zone definition. Oh, no. Like that. Like that. Right. Yeah. And then we shrink it like that. It's the bar. Dance floor. Lounge. Hmm. Okay. So definition up here. A little tricky. Oh god. Gross. Yeah, it works. Oh. Balcony. Lounge. Dance floor. It's not lounge W though. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. Donk. Donk. It doesn't have to have 4 zones. This is just. I want to add some variety to each place. Let's try with that for now. We will add the rest later. Okay. Now, I want a small chance for the NPCs to go and bugger off to another bar. And what I want to do is add some nav mesh modifiers. Nav mesh modifiers. So that they don't want to walk over the street. Every obstacle. Cost shouldn't be traversed unless modifiers to exists. Nice. That's cool. So I'm going to... Essentially what I'm doing here is I am making the road a high cost area so that they don't try and walk through it willy-nilly, because there's probably going to be cars here at some point. All right, there you go, it's on. Uh-oh. Yoink, there you go. Perspective. And make that beak. There you go. Cool. And then down here. Just to make them a little bit smarter. So they'll walk along the road as far as possible and then cut across. When is this going to like double up on it? Oh well, whatever. Cool. That seems cool. And save that. And now I want to put a bunch of APCs in here. Put a bunch in here. And then I'll just give them like, every time they try and find a new spot, it's going to randomly, like, 1 in 50 or something, tell them to go to a new location. And that should be good enough. Okay, let's get the behavior tree open, and then we find the random location within zone. Does this already have a thing for moving to another zone? I think it does. Assign sub to closest zone. Find random point in zone. Yeah, nice one. How do they move between zones? Is it just overlapping? I think it is, yeah, when they overlap a new zone, was it custom move to next? When did I add that? Custom follow NPC? No? Did I add this? Found random location within zone. It should be here. Red zone, checking zone. If it's not valid, assign closest zone. If it is valid, found random point, found random dive point in zone. Yeah, okay, it doesn't have it yet. It's just that they move close enough to the edge, then I think they overlap it. And then maybe? Not entirely sure. But let's have a chance to get a new zone. New task, BTT. BTT, chance to move to new bar. Fucking, I don't know. No. Location. Yoink, move here. And we're going to move to new zone chance. I didn't even add this. Black. I didn't even implement this. Well, let's do that. Chance to move to new location. Chance to move. Find random location within zone. New zone chance. Yeah. Let's Okay, wait. So yeah, we have this. The move chance is 0.3, so they'll go around 3 times. Let's make 0.1, so that they generally stick to the same area and then kind of bum around to other places every now and then. And then once we've done that, and we need to finish execute. Success. If the cost fails and it succeeds. Let's see how that does. Are you chilling around? I want to see the random here. So when this happens, print moving to new location. I just want to see when this happens. Moving to new location. Okay, that like triggered instantly. Yeah. Okay, these guys are moving around. Okay, now I'm going to I'm trying to read. Current zone. We'll see if it's valid. It's valid if it's not. Assign closest zone. And on a success, then you'll get the current zone, yeah? And on a failure, then we'll just go to success, yeah. It's fun. Okay, so that's working. So now we want to get another link. So I'm going to actually just copy this entire thing and transfer it to new location. So down here, new variable, make this public. And we're going to cast to the NPC. And we're going to get the current zone link. Get zone link. And then we're going to get all classes. Uh-oh. This is not good. We shouldn't be doing this. Because this is a yucky command. But there are 5 in the level. I think it's okay. And it's called once every not often. Let's just check if they are close to the current zone, because we don't want them to walk to another zone while they're already... We don't want them to go back and forth, so they need to commit to something first. No, they wouldn't. They wouldn't. Yeah, don't worry. Okay. Link. Length. How do I get a random that's not in here? Yeah, random. This is going to be needlessly complicated. Random integer and get if it equals this one. If it equals that one, then and oh shit. Okay, so current random index. I'm going to set that as current random index. There. Set it there. If it equals that, if it doesn't equal that, then we're good. We'll set the new link. Write a variable new link. We can go ahead. If it is equal to that, then what we'll do is we'll get is equal to length. If so, we will get 0. And if it's not, then we'll get +1. God damn, this is very needlessly complicated. Plus, oh fuck. Plus, yeah. Just there you go. Over there. And we'll set that. So if it is equal to the length, then get 0. If it's not, then +1, and then get that. Therefore, we should always get a different link. I'm just going to reroute this. God, that's gross. Ew. That's the only comment in this entire fucking program. And then we go to here, and we get a random zone within there. Yeah, then we'll find another zone and link. God, that's gross. And then we will say, so the new link, so print append moving to, and then we'll get the new link name, get name, get local name zone, dunk, down there, and we'll draw a line. Draw debug line. And that'll be fun. Line start, line end. World location. Duration for 4 seconds. And this thickness needs to be big. Big pink line. And actor location. Yoink, all the way down here. And that should be good. Now I just need to actually call the thing. Let's move to new location. And the chance will be, I'll make it 0.3 for now, just because lol. And we're gonna cry at the performance impact. Play. To the Cowboys horse. But they're not actually moving there. They want to. None of them are moving in between though. Wow. Okay. Cool. What are you trying to do? Access now trying to read property new link. Okay. Why? It's there. It should be valid. Oh. Ah. Well, don't do that. Just go down here. Right. There you go. That's sorry. That was a lot of done. Okay. None of them should be pointing to the same place as well, so let's take a look at that. It looks like they're all pointing to different bars, yeah. Okay. It's because they keep on overlapping as they walk into a new zone. I think I've written. What if I just change the overlapping behavior? Zone primary check. Bounce to new zone. Zone range. Oh god, I can't remember this shit now. Yeah, let's undo this. Let's delete that. My brain is fucking out. I might be getting slight migraine. We'll find out soon. Ooh. Okay, let's speedrun this because I need to. Let's see. My brain is freaking out. Are you gonna go out the door? Okay, I don't know why they're not moving between places, but I will take a look at that. In the meantime, I'm afraid that I'm going to have to call it there because I need to take a little break. And I think I'll use that opportunity to play a little bit of games. And then I'll get right back into this. Hopefully by the time you see this next, I will have sorted out why they're not moving in between different buildings. And then we can get started on assigning them to specific points in there so they can walk up to the bar and order a drink. And then one of them just fell off the fucking world there. Under the Cowboys horse there. Yeah, so we will see how that goes. And I don't know, it's a little bit weird at the moment. But yeah, we'll figure it out. So, thank you so much for joining me. And where's this thing? Nope. Right. Nope. There you go. Enjoy twerking Among Us. Thank you all. I will check you next time. Bye.